Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDJH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. As far as the movement, I'm not going to say that the overall chart is ruined, but it's definitely looking pretty shaky here. I mean, to think that at one point the price was all the way up here and all of a sudden the price ultimately closed all the way back down there. Like I said, you can't say that the big picture chart is ruined, but things are definitely looking pretty shaky. And, the level that I would kind of talk about as being, a must-hold level is down there at the $3 mark. Why is $3 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price happened to continue on down to $3 and then just broke down through there, what would you have at that point? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they started, not exactly a sign of true strength. And really, that would put this at a pump and dump status, meaning the price made a great move up, and then within a few days, the price is literally right back to where it started. Again, I'm not saying that the price is going to do that. I'm just explaining why that $3 mark is definitely a very, very important level going forward. However, to also be fair, though, something else that could occur, and this is definitely geared more towards the big picture. I get it. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, then you definitely are not going to care about what I'm going to talk about now. So like I said, this is definitely being geared towards people that care about the general time frame of the chart. But if the price were to come down here to 3, and then in this situation instead go sideways and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And because the big picture chart does still technically have the opportunity to make some progress, that's why you can't really say that the entire chart is destroyed. Now, is the chart looking very sketchy? Yes, absolutely, like I started off the video saying. But, in good faith and to be fair, you also can't say that it's totally ruined because the price has an opportunity to build a higher stair step above $3. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.